welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing an awesome new diecast model, Mercedes-AMG GT R. Let's open it up and check it out. Let's move our new supercar into the garage. Let's unbox it. It's Lamborghini Sian, scale 1 to 80. This looks epic. Very unusual color, and these golden wheels look so crazy. '63 means the year when first Lamborghini was created. Let's see how it compares to a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT R. Lambo looks futuristic, but AMG is a muscle beast. Let's see which car has more trunk space. Oh, Lamborghini has no trunk. Where should I put my cola? Oh, I have idea. Two awesome cars, scale 1 to 80. Which one would you choose? Hello friends! Which one? feels heavy. Could it be something super fast? Bugatti Chiron, scale 1 to 18. It's so shiny, just like a real supercar. Bugatti Chiron, the widest and lowest, with a color like a sunny dream supercar. Lamborghini Sian, olive gold with a futuristic design. Mercedes-AMG GT R, bright green with the aggressive track style. Which one would you choose for your dream garage?